Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you very nice information that what is the world fastest cable cutting and reconnection. Now I am planning to test that, and this is like demonstration, and what we need for that world fastest test, that how fast and soon I can cut electric cable. There is one copper line, and I can take this protective, this rubber away and make this cable to ready for reconnection, and also how I take this another cable away in that way, and then I reconnect these cables using this fast electric connector what is in my hand, that one. And how soon I can do that test, that I connect these cables together, and then we have that kind of ready and workable connection, like in here, that really electricity goes through these cables. Okay, let's test that how much time I need. Okay, and now I am testing that how fast I can cut this electric cable and reconnect these two cables like together using this fast electric connector, and my final result is electric cable where is this connector, and this cable is also workable. Let's look at how much time I need, and there are my watches that we can control this test, and test starts now. First I cut this cable, and then I take small amount of this copper away in that way, and then I move this connection and I install my cables in here and second in here, and time is about 20 seconds. And then we test that this my cable is workable, and my time was really 20 seconds. You can also try. And next I take my electric testing device in my hand. Okay, and now I take a little bit contact point in that area that we can test these cables in here to here. And there is my testing device, and this device works so that when I connect this cable in here and they are in contact, this my device gives sound, and let's test in here. Okay, and that means that now this my cable is workable, and that means that I can do that job in 20 seconds. And if you can do that job faster, then you are the best in world. Okay, and please test that and report your result to me. Okay, that kind of information, my friend, and see you in next movie.